Welcome to mini-series where we teach you to build a website. In part 1 you learn how to plan and collect data for your website. Now, let's learn how to design a wireframe. A wireframe is a layout of a web page that demonstrates what interface elements will exist on key pages. You can either sketch it on a notepad or design it on a computer using special tools. In this tutorial, we are going to use Figma. It's currently the industry's leading interface design tool. To get started, click on the plus sign on the top right of your dashboard. It opens a fresh canvas. Click on the square button, which has different shape options to draw your page outline. Click on the T button to write text and then style it using the different parameters on the sub-menu on the right. Once done with the design creation, don't forget to save. Then, go ahead and create different sections of your personal website using the shape option. The subsection under Shapes allows you to change color. We have used this option to create placeholders for images and videos that helps us to gain structure. This tool provides an easy way to create the design digitally, and also you can share it with your friends for feedback by clicking on Share button. Draw a horizontal line at the bottom of page. Under it, you can enter important details like copyright and secondary menu. You will learn more about this later. Now, you know the basics of this tool. Explore a little more and finish designing your own wireframe. You now know how to make a wireframe for your website. In the next part, you will get to know the web development basics.